Hey everyone, welcome to my teaser trailer for my 4-day liveaboard experience in Thailand. We traveled to the Similan and Surin Islands, probably one of the best things I've ever done. I was a bit hesitant at first to join two of my friends on this dive trip, but I'm so glad that I committed to it. It was incredible, way better than I thought, and I'm so glad that I took the plunge and joined them. We saw so many fish. I've written some down, but not enough in comparison to what we saw. Every day, every dive, there was something new to see, something new to experience. Even if we're doing the same dive site that day, it was like a new dive site because of the movement of fish and the coral, and obviously diving different locations within the dive site. Yeah, would highly recommend it. Okay, see you guys, hope you enjoyed. And yeah, as I said in the beginning, this is just a teaser. There'll be 2 more videos giving more detail about the trip, where we left, where we arrived, what we did each day, dive times, give a more specific list about the fish that we saw, overall experience on the boat, the type of food that we ate, some tips, and yeah, some special memories. Yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoy, and see you in the next video.